In this help video, I'd like to look at editing offline or end of day symbols for metastock or ASCII format data. First, you must be connected to an end of day data feed, and there are other videos available on our website to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to connect to one I've got set up already here. Once you're connected there, you can then go to Tools and to Symbol Manager. And you can see now the tab that's active is the one that says File System, ASCII and Metastock. Within this you have a drop down here that shows you the folders on your PC. Remember, for end of day data they're basically saved in either ASCII or Metastock format as individual data files on your PC in different folders. So these are the folders that you had defined in your setup for connection. If I just cancel that, and if I go to Tools, Connections, and look at the connections here, you can see these are the ones I set up in this US Stocks connection. Right, so let's go back to Tools, Symbol Manager. Right, to edit files in these, for example, if you're using futures, this is probably the one that you'll probably want to edit mostly. What you want to do is come down to symbol group here. So come down to the symbol group you wish to edit. Again, I don't think you want to edit things like US stocks, because if I edit this, you can see that there's a wildcard there. So basically all US stocks have a tick size of 0.01, 0.01. So the one you'll really probably only want to add or perhaps edit symbols are for futures. So for this, you come down to US and Europe futures. Here, do you see this? Then do edit, and then once you get to this pane here, you have to then select it again. So again, symbol group. On this drop down, come down to US and Europe futures. Do you see that under here? US and Europe futures, that one there, and there's all your symbols that are already in there. So you can either add a new one into this list. If you do add here, you can then fill in the appropriate parameters you have in there, or if you want to edit one. So for example, you want to edit anything you wish, so you just select it. So once you've selected it, then you edit, and then you can change the tick size, the tick value, and the parameters in there. And once you've done that, you can then save it. So that's what you have to do. So if I come back to this top page here, so you're in the File System tab, so select down here under Symbol Group. So come to the Symbol Group, US and Europe Futures, edit, and then you'll have to select it again. Okay, so again, then you under Symbol Group here, this is the edit symbol groups. Again, select US and Europe futures, and there you have the list of the European and US futures. So then you can go to the one you wish to edit. So then highlight it by single mouse click to highlight it, then do edit, and then you can change the tick size and the tick value and the parameters you wish there, and then do OK, and that will then edit that symbol in the database for you. So again, this is for our file system, which is our Metastock and ASCII data files. These are the ones that are saved on your PC in individual files.